Hi students, third standard Maths. Today we are going to learn about geometry. In this lesson, we will see about basic shapes and solid shapes. Basic shapes are also called as 2D shapes. Basic shapes: square, rectangle, triangle and circle. Properties of basic shapes. First one, square. Square has 4 sides. All the 4 sides are equal. Square has 4 corners. Square has 2 diagonals. The 2 diagonals are equal. Example of a square are chessboard and carom board. Rectangle has 4 sides. Two opposite sides are equal. Rectangle has 4 corners. Rectangle has 2 diagonals. Two diagonals are equal. Example of a rectangle are mat and blackboard. Next one, triangle. A triangle has 3 sides. It has 3 corners. Types of triangles: isosceles triangle, equilateral triangle, scale triangle. Last one, circle. Circle has no sides. Circle has no corners. Circle has a center point. Example of a triangle are samosa and signal board. Example of a circle are dosa and bangle.
Next, we will see about plane surface. Surface of few objects like walls, floor papers, and top of a table are flat. Flat surfaces are otherwise called as plane surfaces or planes. Cubes and cuboids have flat surfaces. Example: top of a table, blackboard, top of a wooden box, and book. Next, curved surface. Surfaces of few objects such as ball, flower vase, pot are curved. Cone, cylinder, and sphere have curved surfaces. Example: football, carrot, battery, pot.
Construction of 3D shapes. Do you know about solid shapes? Solid shapes have 3 dimensions, namely length, breadth, and height. These are shortly called as 3D shapes. The 3D shapes are cuboid, cube, cylinder, sphere, pyramid, and cone. Let us know about cube. A cube is a solid shape made of squares. It has 6 faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 12 edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 8 vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next we will see about cuboid. A cuboid is a solid shape made of rectangles. It has 6 faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 12 edges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 8 vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next, sphere. A sphere is a solid shape made of circles. It has one face, no edges and no vertex.
Example of cube is dice. Example of cuboid is pencil box. Example of sphere is football. We will go to tangram. What is tangram? Tangram is nothing but it is a puzzle. Tangram is a traditional Chinese puzzle made of a square divided into 7 pieces. 1 parallelogram, 1 square, 5 triangles. In 5-piece diagram, 1 parallelogram, 1 square and 3 triangles are there. Now we will see about tile. Where did you see these tiles? Yes, in our house we will see these floor tiles. Floor tiles are in different shapes and different colors. Baked clay in the form of a shape that is used to cover surfaces is called tile. Tessellation. When we repeat individual tiles or patterns together with no gaps or overlaps to fill a flat space, the arrangement is called tessellation or tiling. Triangles, squares, hexagons are the regular polygons tessellate in the plane. Here, a tessellation of squares, a tessellation of hexagons, a tessellation of triangles. Now, we will go to the evaluation part of this lesson. Read the following exercises. Fill-ups. First one, triangle has 3 corners. Second one, 4 sides of a square are equal. Third one, circle has no sides. Fourth one, rectangle has 2 diagonals. Fifth one, opposite sides of a rectangle are equal. Sixth one, circle has 1 center point. Put a tick mark in the appropriate columns. Shapes, plane surface, curved surface, plane surface and curved surface. First shape, cube. Cube has plane surface. Second one, cuboid has plane surface. Third one, cylinder has plane surface and curved surface. Fourth one, Sphere has curved surface. Fifth one, cone has plane surface and curved surface. Complete the following table by filling the properties of 2D and 3D shapes. Serial number, figure, 2D or 3D, shape name, number of sides, number of edges, number of corners, number of diagonals. First one, rectangle, 2D, 4 sides, 4 edges, 4 corners, 2 diagonals. Second one, triangle, 2D, 3 sides, 3 edges, 3 corners, 0 diagonals. Third one, circle, 2D, 0 sides, 0 edges, 0 corners, 0 diagonals. Fourth one, square, 2D, 4 sides, 4 edges, 4 corners, 2 diagonals. Fifth one, triangle, 2D, 3 sides, 3 edges, 3 corners, 0 diagonals. Sixth one, rectangle, 2D, 4 sides, 4 edges, 4 corners, 2 diagonals. Seventh one, cube, 3D, 6 sides, 12 edges, 8 corners, 16 diagonals. Eighth one, cuboid, 3D, 6 sides, 12 edges, 8 corners, 16 diagonals. Ninth one, sphere, 3D, 1 side, 0 edges, 0 corners, 0 diagonals.
Match the following. First one, cone, ice cream, birthday cap. Second one, cube, dice, wooden box. Third one, cylinder, battery, cool drink bottle. Fourth one, sphere, ball, globe. Fifth one, cuboid, gift box, suitcase. Thank you, students.